Okay, so finally got this little guy in, and I saw it when it first came out, but there was still isn't a whole lot of information out there as to whether this guy is really effective or not. And it's the only one like it on the market that I know of right now. Most adjustable gas blocks are done with a screw or some kind of lever over the top. This is a collared adjustable gas block from Strike Industries, which is the CAGB collared adjustable gas block. And you have your markings here for all the way open, and this is all the way closed. So when you turn it, and you have your markings, your arrow all the way open, you flip it around, you rotate it the other way, you have all the way closed, and you have 6 different settings in between there. Now I have, this is going on my 12.5 Ballistic Advantage Aero Precision build, and it's going to be replacing this guy, which was just the standard Aero Precision carbine length gas tube and gas block. Nothing wrong with this gas block, but I did some modifications to the tube and to the buffer and spring, and I really just want to be able to control my gas a lot more. Tuned it a lot more since I've done a lot of tuning to the buffer and everything else. So I wanted to tune the gas system to get it running just right. So picked this up and wanted to give it a shot. And since there's not a lot of people that have talked about this, I figured I'd show anybody who's interested what you get if you were to pick one of these up. So it comes in their nifty Ziploc bag. As you can see, gas block collared adjustable for 0.750 barrels, which is pretty much every standard barrel right now that isn't a heavy barrel or a pencil barrel. And it comes with your 3 screws, because this is going to be, it's going to just compress it. It's just going to squeeze on the barrel. Some people say this style of gas block has kind of lost favor with the market because of reliability issues. I haven't seen that to be the case. I have a similar one that mounts the same from Yankee Hill Machine, and I haven't had any issues with it over the past about a year, a little more than a year now. I've had that gas block on another rifle, and it mounts up the same, but I haven't had any issues with it, so I don't expect I'll have any issues with this either. I ordered a new melanated gas tube since I don't feel like taking this apart, because this probably won't come apart at this point, and it's just not worth it for me to try. So new gas tube, new gas block, and we'll see what it does. It does mount a little differently. Like, you have to set this on your barrel, and then you get this little guy, and you get it to where it's lined up with your gas port on the barrel. You'll pin this in place, you'll slide this whole assembly over it, get it all lined up, clamp everything down, pull this, take this little pin out, and you should be able, you'll have this installed beforehand. And then once all that's put together, you should be good to go. And then this will rotate for you to make your adjustments on the fly as needed. My only concern with this is the spacing between this and this. Like, if you can see, Like, it is not the most super secure fit, but my only concern is that gas would be leaking out here rather than making it up and back into the gas system. But I guess that's to be seen during testing. Yeah, there's not a whole lot to this system, but I just wanted to, like I said, I haven't seen anybody else really talk about these since they've come out, so I figured I'd put a little information out there for anybody who was wondering. Maybe an install video right after this one, but we'll see. For sure a test video after that for anybody who may or may not be interested. But yeah, as far as this goes, that's all I have for you right now. You can see that you got wide open. I think that mine's gonna be run pretty good on the number 3 spot right there. Alright, well, hope this was helpful to you guys. Talk to you later.